Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Tabby here. Today we're gonna be doing something a little more different than my first video, which was boosting, as you can see. Today we're gonna be grinding for Vicious Bee. This might be a little short video, but I just want to show you guys this real quick. Look at this. 12 views. That is actually one of the most exciting things I've ever got. And a couple of likes. I'm actually really proud of myself. I really thank you guys for the likes and views. It made my day. In 12 days. In at least almost 12 days, we've got that much stuff. And it was really long to get the 12 views and a couple likes, but still, I'm really happy that you guys did this. I can't believe this happened. But we're gonna be getting Vicious Bee. As you can see, this is gonna be a little short video, like I said, because I only have 209 stingers. I need 41 more stingers, and I can get Vicious Bee, and I can finally get it. So we're gonna get this started. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's go to level 9. Oh yes, raise 15. Feed 1,000. Oh god. Oh god. Haha. Yo. Oh my god. What the heck? I did not know. What the heck, bro? Okay, guys. So it just turned night. So we're gonna be looking for this. Oh crap, I forgot about his name. What is it? Vicious Bee? Yep, he's right here. I don't even care if it's like level 1 or something. No, we at least need stingers, bro. All we need. Go the fastest. Alright. Yep. So we just did that. I might have a couple cuts. So now we're gonna wait till next night. I know this might be a little short because I just keep cutting this, but sorry. But I'm only doing this for like 2 more times, so don't worry, guys. It's okay. But I'll be alright, guys. My game is super laggy for some reason. Do not know why. But for some reason, it's taking really long for night to come. Okay, guys, so night just came. And we just found the Vicious Bee. Let's go kill this dude. Come on, Vicious Bee, fight me. I don't know how much. Oh, we have 210. Okay, that's good. 40 more. Well, I don't know how much stingers we're getting, but 40 something more. 30 something more. Come on. For Fernando Pinedo was just helping me. Oh yeah, Fernando Pinedo is helping me do this Vicious Bee. Say W's in the chat for Fernando Pinedo. W for have a moment together by beating this dude. Alright. 37 more. 37 more. We got this. And I got some honey. Alright, now we're at 10. We're at 10 glitter. Oh. We're only at 6? Wait. That's Michael. Okay, so we are at 10 glitter, but I don't have any glitter right now. I mean, I don't have 2 tickets, so we're just gonna buy 2 tickets, which is probably like 10 mil. Just for 10 tickets, it's like 432 million, I think. Yes, guys, look at this. Look at this. It's crazy. You have to spend a lot of money just for 2 tickets. A lot of honey for 2 tickets. Pretty crazy, right? Yeah. While we wait, we're gonna do this King Beetle. So come on, King Beetle, fight me. Not scared of you. I'm really not scared of you. Come on. Come on. Come fight me. You'll stand a chance against me. You got some tickets? Really need the tickets? We're gonna save up a lot of tickets for a lot of sprouts. So we're gonna have to grind 200 tickets for 10 sprouts, which would give us 10 glitter. And then we need to get 100 tickets for 5 sprouts. Pretty crazy, right? Yeah, I said that to myself. We need to get the wind shrine. We're gonna donate from the wind shrine. So I don't know what to donate, but we're gonna donate. Donate 3 cloud vials. Because I just feel like it. Because, you know, I use the cloud vials. Alright, wins times 5. Yeah, that is not good. Trash. Absolute trash. But now, we're gonna wait again. Alright, this is our last break, and then we're gonna start doing some stuff. We're gonna try to get the items. Okay, so, Light just came back. So let's hope let's hope there is a vicious bee. And there it is, I caught it lurking. Alright. These scorpions think they can get me. Didn't get nothing. I'm gonna defeat Vicious Bee. That's pretty expensive. I did not know that until I tried to buy stingers. So I got 2 stingers. Gosh. So I can actually pop some for me, like for myself. So we're actually gonna go to not an apartment server. We're gonna stay here. Here we go. Let's go, guys. Huh? There it is. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
feed. So I cannot wait. Boom, the family final. Did I say family meal? How was I saying? Family final. Here we go. The star tree. Alright guys, ready? Here we go. Where is it? Right here. Make it gifted. Woohoo! Oh my god. Gifted. I cannot. I'm so happy that I got Vicious Bee. Now this video ends here. I can do one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you